In primetime news this evening, employees launching cyber attacks, cops stunning revelation as university becomes latest victim, banks facing more criticism for fee hikes, and recommendation for financial infrastructure to assist with the unbanked.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the financial week, there's Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather reports and the forecast. But before all that, here is our feedback question. Now this evening we're asking, what has been your experience with local commercial banks and financial institutions? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.